Approaching celebration. You know what I'm saying? Celebrating. That's a little low, bro.
It doesn't matter.
And I said, well, I didn't really give you a amount. Just what did Kaylee get? And I said, okay.
Look at that, y'all. Full send. This is full send. Holy cow. How am I going to get around all that?
We gotta find another way around.
Holy cow. They're in cars.
But you know what? I got her a double cheeseburger and she ate it. She was like, I said, oh, got a burger if you want it. And I think you can buy it. I know, you don't have to eat it that way. I got it. That's what I got. I'm just following the line of people that want to move my way. Stay like right here.
Here, give me my phone. Oh, someone's coming.
Woo! Woo!
Alex!
You too, Jibby's girl.
Did you have a tough time parking?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Great, let's talk about it.
All
Am I
right.
standing right about here?
All right.
Okay, you can look right at me, I'll hold this for you.
Okay.
Do you mind saying and spelling your first and last name, sir?
I am Jordan Lee Betts. I'm out of Heston, Kansas.
Great, how do you spell Jordan Lee Betts?
Jordanleebetts.
Wonderful. Is Lee Betts two different words?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so Jordan, where did you park and how long did it take you to get over here?
Well, I parked south of Westport and I walked probably for about an hour and then I walked on the wrong side of the parade because I'm trying to get to P&L, and I have walked maybe 5 miles to get to this side, and I still maybe have a mile to go. So
Is it worth it?
it is more than worth it. It is more than worth it.
Wonderful.
right.
So what if you had to do it all over again, would you do it all over again?
I would do it every day for the rest of my life if I had to.
Thank you, Jordan.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the parade.
I appreciate it. Woo! Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they've got cool blocks. Hey, what's going on?
What's going on? Woo! Look at that. I ran from way up there. That's
You
crazy.
back there?
I ran from Westport, okay,
Oh, geez.
on the wrong side of the parade up to 9th Street. And then I ran all the way back to Union Station around so I could get here to this building because they wouldn't let anybody.
5, 6
It's, I think it's 8 total since I got out of my car.
All right. They got some good footage on the GoPro.
Oh yeah, I got interviewed on KMBC 9 with it on.
Oh, you did? That's
Yeah,
awesome.
Yeah, I'm
That's
pretty.
cool.
I was well worth it. Well worth it.
I'll
been
have to get on there and check that out.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic
Yeah.
morning. Fantastic.
Yeah, man.
Well worth it.
Yeah. It's craziness out here.
Yeah, I just had to come out and get a little bit of extra.
Yeah.
Throw it on the
You
channel.
live down in Westport?
I live in like Martin City.
Oh, okay.
So
All right.
yeah. Man.
You gotta come out. Yeah, that's great.
Cool. Well, have fun, y'all.
Yeah, you.
It's confidence birthday, you know.
This is all this is Travis Kelce's private balcony right here.
Anybody want the cork back? Yeah.
Look at that. Hands like kill. Hands like kill.
I took the rest of my vacation.
We won't need to put it back on. But
It's gonna be
I
gone.
appreciate it.
How much do you have? And I was like 4 weeks, and it was like February.
Yeah.
I hear you can. I'm like, you gotta do shit.
Oh yeah, no, they break festive. Yeah, we should probably just go back. Everybody's ready. It's staged. So with you. Besides the SEC. I can sing it.
Oh, that's a clutch panoramic view. That's clutch.
All thanks to you, Touche. You knew that was coming, man. You left it there for me. How could I not take it? It's the
Regulated. There's nobody up here. Must have skating in there. See, he did it. There's one.
Jailbreak. Go, Kelly, go. The shortest parade ever.
No, can't give him. It's over the line.
Get out.
Illegal.
Superbowl.
Be out? Look at Kelly. He's like,
Is that peanut butter whiskey?
yeah.
Superbowl.
That is dangerous. It doesn't taste like whiskey at all. Oh my god. Take a sip on regular.
There you go. Don't be scared.
See, we're all going.
Don't be scared. Yeah, just like if you go real slow, maybe they won't notice.
If we just, like,
Inch over.
No, we were on it earlier. Apparently somebody came up and said, "Don't
stop. Rebel. I'm a rebel.
So I'm semi-respecting their request.
You're still in the fight.
Right.
I'm not. I'm the private plane. Ha! It's rebel. They have press
Getting it all, man.
Oh man.
I cannot.
That's right.
I couldn't contain myself.
Really?
Couldn't contain myself.
Oh, dude.
Doing it for my YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's intense.
Yeah, I do like. What? Oh yeah, dude. You can see what I'm filming right here on my phone.
Maybe we can do our show on that channel.
We should do it with you.
If you, hey,
We have our own.
do you really?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Free therapy for